Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings on your Huawei Mate 10 Pro, you have to open the settings at the first, scroll down to the sounds and vibration. At the first, we can adjust media, ringtone, alarms and calls volume level by moving these dots on the left and the right. In this place you can enable or disable silent mode. Here we can also enable and disable vibration in silent mode. And here we can change volume button control function. So currently we can control the media sounds, but we can switch to the ringtone. In this place we can change function of the do not disturb mode and activate it itself. Below we can also change phone ringtone for both SIM cards. We can also enable vibration for the ringtone. And here we can pick the default songs. Below we can change the message tone for both SIM cards. The same for the notification sound. And below we can find more sound settings like stereo plus, screen lock or screenshot sounds. So that's how we can adjust them by tapping on the switchers. In this place we can find the cellular broadcast settings, and the last option, it's currently disabled, it's Huawei sound effects. Of course it will be available when you connect headphones. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.